And now for something completely different, just to quote Monty Python. Right, today's ride is not actually a ride video, it's more of an advert, to be fair. Was it one of my favourite events on in Matlock, Bath? It's called Beat the Bikers. I've been filming it since around about 2010, which is a long time before I actually owned something on two wheels. It's just an event I liked to go to, because my much more popular channel is my events one now. Initially all my stuff were on one channel, but during lockdown, when I got no better to do, I separated my channels into events one, ride ones, and my own personal one that's got sort of miscellaneous stuff on. So title of this is going to be called Mods or Rockers Matlock Bath. Got to get Matlock Bath in the title because it's good for algorithms. I can put some really crap videos out, but if they mention Matlock Bath, then they tend to get more hits than some of the better ones going elsewhere. So my title is sort of a bit of a historical thing now. I won't normally put pictures of children on the front of videos, but the child on that picture, one of the push bike and wearing leather jacket and one on the scooter dressed up like a mod, is actually me from about 1962 or 63, which coincidentally is around about the time when there are all the hostilities between mods and rockers. So going back as long as that, or probably not quite as long as that, I've always liked both bikes and scooters, motor ones, that is, not toy ones. So the next picture in the title sequence is my Lex Moto 125 that I got when I retired in 2017. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to take the two wheels or not. I'd passed my test a few years before, but I got a scooter in the end and started going to a few scooter events, mostly Wednesday evening ones, and then in 2022 I got the bigger scooter because started riding with groups that rode further away, and it was just better to get a more powerful one, and there were a few issues with the Lex Moto. And then in 2025 I switched over to motorbike, but yeah, I like bikes and scooters. Now this event called Beat the Bikers, it's an annual event where there's no violence suggested. It's an annual event where all the scooter groups from miles around sort of all descend on Matlock Bath and try and outnumber the bikers, and then they get just spend a couple of hours there in the morning and then go on to a destination where there's a bit of a mini rally. So I initially filmed it around about 2010, I think it was. Like filming, just standing holding the movie camera, and then from 2017 I filmed it with the camera mount on the front of the scooter, and then I think last year I filmed it from standing, but this year I thought I'll put my camera on, and rather than film it from standing there, I'll head for where the scooters are coming from and capture them on the way in. I thought it was something a bit different to do that, so this video really is just a bit of an advert for the video which is on my other channel, because as I say, I like to keep my events ones separate from my ride ones. My event ones generally get far more hits. They've got a lot more looking at them than it would suggest on the count, because they did get uploaded to one channel and then got moved over to another channel, so the older ones don't look like they've been watched much, but some of them have got well over 1,000 hits. So I've been sharing this one quite widely on all scooter groups locally, so it's just a matter of see if there's many views. So I will put the link on, and I'll put I'll put the link onto the other channel and also to the video if anybody wants to watch that, if they're interested in both scooters and bikes. So it's goodbye for now.